Hello fellow travelers, it's Willie. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first adventure, there's one thing we all have in common: the need to stay connected. Today, let's talk about something as essential as your passport: staying connected. In today's world, Wi-Fi isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline that keeps us informed, entertained, and safe, no matter where we are. Think back to your last trip. How often did you reach for your phone, maybe to find a hidden cafe, translate a street sign, or share a breathtaking sunset photo with friends back home? Our phones have become our travel companions, and Wi-Fi is what powers them. Staying in touch lets us share our adventures in real time and keeps us safe. It means you can video call your family from a mountain peak or send a quick update to friends when you arrive somewhere new. Imagine arriving late in a new city. Your hotel info is on your phone, and a quick Wi-Fi call can save the day. You can double-check your reservation, get directions, or even contact your host if plans change unexpectedly. Need to check a bank balance or confirm a flight? With reliable Wi-Fi, you can manage your finances, keep track of your itinerary, and avoid costly mistakes or missed connections. Reliable internet turns travel stress into simple tasks. Booking tickets, finding directions, or even working remotely becomes effortless when you have a strong connection. Spontaneity is the soul of travel. Wi-Fi lets you discover a festival, book a last-minute ticket, or find the best dinner spot on the fly. You can say yes to new experiences without worrying about how you'll make it happen. This freedom to explore in the moment is what makes trips unforgettable. The best memories often come from unplanned adventures, and Wi-Fi helps you seize those opportunities. Wi-Fi is no longer a luxury. It's your navigator, translator, booking agent, and bridge to home. It helps you break language barriers, find your way, and stay connected to the people and things that matter most. But relying on spotty hotel Wi-Fi or expensive roaming is a hassle. Slow connections, high fees, and unreliable service can turn a dream trip into a stressful experience. That's why I always bring a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. It gives you the freedom to connect anywhere. On a train, in a park, or even on a remote beach. It's a game changer for travel. You can connect multiple devices, share with friends, and never worry about finding a signal when you need it most. Today, I'll show you how to pick the perfect one for your next journey. We'll look at what features matter, how to compare plans, and tips for getting the best coverage wherever you go. So, let's dive in and get you connected. Because with the right Wi-Fi, the world truly is at your fingertips. So, what is a portable Wi-Fi hotspot? It's a pocket-sized device that creates your own private Wi-Fi network using a cellular signal, just like your phone, but for all your devices. Turn it on, connect with a password, and you're securely online, much safer than public Wi-Fi. It works independently from your phone's data plan, saving you from roaming charges. Multiple people can connect at once, making it cost-effective for families or groups. Whether you're on a train in Switzerland or relaxing in a Tokyo park, you'll have reliable internet. It's a small device that makes a huge difference in how you travel. When choosing a hotspot, size and battery life matter. Look for something slim and lightweight, easy to slip into your pocket or day pack. The best models are no bigger than a stack of credit cards. Battery life is crucial. A hotspot is only useful if it lasts all day. Aim for at least 10 hours of battery, especially if you'll be out exploring. Some models double as power banks, which is a bonus. Charge it overnight just like your phone so you're always ready. A long-lasting battery means less worry and more adventure. Choose a device that fits your travel style and daily habits. Next, let's talk about two of the most important factors when choosing a portable Wi-Fi hotspot: coverage and speed. These are the features that can make or break your travel experience. Whether you're on a quick city break or a months-long adventure, coverage refers to where your hotspot will actually work. Some devices are limited to specific regions or countries, while the best ones offer truly global coverage, sometimes in over 100 countries. This means you can land almost anywhere and stay connected without hunting for a new SIM card or local plan. Always check the provider's coverage map before you buy. It's easy to assume a device will work everywhere, but coverage can vary widely, especially in remote or rural areas. Choosing a hotspot with broad coverage means you're not just set for your current trip, but you're also ready for future adventures, whether you're backpacking through Southeast Asia or road tripping across Europe. Now let's talk about speed. Speed determines how you use the internet on the go. For most travelers, 4G LTE is more than enough for using maps, checking emails, uploading photos, and staying active on social media. But if you're a digital nomad, work remotely, or love streaming HD video, you might want to consider a 5G hotspot. Just keep in mind, 5G is still rolling out globally, so it's pricier and not available everywhere yet. For the majority of travelers, 4G LTE hits the sweet spot between speed, affordability, and availability. It's fast enough for most tasks and works in more places. Reliable speed and wide coverage mean you can navigate new cities, stay in touch with loved ones, and share your journey without interruption. It's all about making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. Don't risk getting stuck with a device that leaves you stranded without a signal when you need it most. Like, in the middle of nowhere, or during an important call. Take the time to invest in a hotspot that matches your travel style and connectivity needs. Compare options, read reviews, and think about where you'll be using it most. In the end, choosing the right coverage and speed is the key to staying connected, productive, and happy while you explore the world. Let's talk money. When it comes to staying connected while traveling, understanding the costs involved is crucial. It's easy to focus on the upfront price, but there's more to consider than just the sticker on the box. The cost isn't just the device, it's also the data plans. You'll need to factor in both to get a true sense of what you'll spend. Devices range from under $100 for basic models to several $100s for advanced global options with extra features like longer battery life or multi-device support. Think of it as an investment in travel comfort and peace of mind. A reliable connection can make your trip smoother, whether you're working remotely, navigating new cities, or staying in touch with loved ones. The real ongoing cost is data. How much you'll pay depends on how much you use and where you're traveling. Some companies offer pay-as-you-go packages for specific countries or regions. These are great for occasional travelers or short trips, letting you pay only for what you need. Others have monthly subscriptions or unlimited plans, which are better suited for frequent travelers or digital nomads who need constant access. Compare pricing structures carefully to match your travel habits and budget. Consider how much data you'll actually use. Streaming, video calls, and uploads can add up quickly. Watch for hidden fees or throttling. Some unlimited plans slow down your speed after a certain amount of data, which can be frustrating if you rely on fast internet. Check if your data expires. Some plans have strict expiration dates, so unused data might disappear if you don't use it in time. Balancing device cost and the right data plan saves money and stress. Take time to calculate your expected usage and compare options. Read the fine print before you buy. Look for contract terms, cancellation policies, and any extra charges that might surprise you. Choose a solution that fits your travel style, whether you're a solo explorer or traveling with a group who'll share the connection. Smart planning means affordable, reliable connectivity, so you can focus on enjoying your journey, not worrying about your internet bill. Should you rent or buy a hotspot? Rent if you travel internationally once or twice a year. It's simple, no commitment, and comes ready to use. Just return it after your trip. Buy if you travel often, 3 or more trips a year, or long journeys. Owning saves money over time and gives you flexibility to choose data providers. You'll get familiar with your device and can shop for the best deals for each trip. Renting is great for one-off vacations. Buying is best for regular travelers. Think of it like luggage. Rent for a short trip, buy for a lifetime of adventures. Choose what fits your travel lifestyle. There are lots of brands, but a few stand out. GlocalMe is popular for its SIM-free devices and flexible data plans. Buy data directly from the device or app, and enjoy coverage in many countries. Some models double as power banks, which is handy. Solus, formerly Skyroam, is another favorite. Its orange hotspot uses virtual SIM tech to connect to the best local carrier automatically. Solus offers easy-to-understand plans, unlimited day passes, monthly subscriptions, or pay-per-gigabyte. Both brands focus on ease of use, wide coverage, and flexible options. Their apps make managing your account and adding data simple. You can't go wrong with either for global travel. New to portable hotspots? It's easy. Set up and test your device at home. Charge it, turn it on, connect your phone, and browse a website. Download the companion app to manage data and check usage. When you arrive, turn on the hotspot and let it find a local network. Your phone should reconnect automatically. Keep the hotspot somewhere with a good signal and charge it nightly. If the connection is slow, restart the device. It often helps. Let's wrap up. Portable hotspots truly transform travel. With instant internet, you can navigate cities, translate languages, and book tickets on the go. No more fumbling with paper maps or waiting in long lines. Your hotspot is your key to smooth, spontaneous adventures. To recap, decide whether to rent or buy. Check coverage, pick a device with all-day battery, and choose a data plan that fits your needs. It's a small investment for big peace of mind. Stay connected, travel smarter, and enjoy every moment. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot is more than a gadget. It's your travel lifeline. Make it part of your packing list. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. Wow, check out the funny short for this video. Safe travels and happy exploring. See you on the road.